How to disable WhatsApp call on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you to on how you can disable your WhatsApp calls on your Android device. So if you're looking forward on how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to disable your WhatsApp call. So first of all, head over and launch your WhatsApp application and then make sure you're logged in. After that, you can find this three dot at the top right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it and open up your settings. After opening up your settings, you can find this privacy section under your account. Just go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, you need to scroll a bit until you're able to find the section of calls. So when you tap on it, you can find this toggle option with silence unknown callers. So if you turn this option, what happens is if it is a call from an unknown number, it will block it. It will be silenced. So they will still be shown in your call tabs and your notifications, but the call will remain silent. So that is one of the way. Otherwise, we have other method, which is closing off your WhatsApp and heading over to the main settings of your device. Open up your settings, and after opening up your settings, scroll down to the app section here. Open up your apps, and after opening it up, head over and search for WhatsApp here. Just type in WhatsApp and open up WhatsApp. After opening up your WhatsApp, scroll down, or you can go to the permissions section, and under permissions we are gonna turn not allow the call logs. This one, don't allow it, and your microphone as well, don't allow it, and your camera as well, don't allow it. And that should probably do it, and that should disable the calls in your WhatsApp. So these are the processes you may follow up. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.